Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our Google Pay account. So for that you need to open up your account and then go to your profile by clicking on the top right corner, and here click on get help at the very bottom, and after that just scroll down and click on contact support, and after that click on contact us on the top, and here type your issue like account closing and click on next, and here select this option of account close account and then click on next, and just proceed with the further procedures, and you will be provided with the option of chat with us. Just chat with the customer support and tell them that you want your account to be deleted, and they will be able to help you out. And this is how you delete your account on Google Pay. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.